Hi everyone, in this episode I'm going to show you how to add teams into the system. So adding a team onto the menu and then adding a team with all the details onto that menu. So that'll explain itself, but enjoy.
We love football.
So I'm on the front end system. I'm going to show you quickly how to add a new team into under Academy, for example. Here you've got all our teams, and I want to put a team under the senior league over there. And how do I do that? So quickly I log into the backend system, which I've already done here by adding CMS and then my username and password. And the first thing I need to do is configure a menu item under that for that team. So let me just put that underneath. Here you can have the menu item. There's text there of how that is done, but it's under the community piece, and there are teams already that I've set up. It's on. So under the Academy part, and I want to add another team there. So under the Senior League, and I want to call this team Men All Ages, MAA. I don't need to add this, but I want to make this active and show you quickly how you can do that. There's more options here with the URL, but just to show you how that would work. So let me just see if I've added that one in there. Go back to the home page, Academy, under Teams. Yes, and I've added MAA, but it's empty. There's nothing there. It's just a menu item. And now I want to add a team there. Let's add a team. We do that under Club Management, Team, New. And here you can add your teams. So under Northbridge FC, I want to add a team called MAA menu. Under that MAA menu. And here there's many more details. So there's a team code, for example. Let me just go through that. With this team code, players can sign up for the portal. So this is for the self-service portal. Once they sign up with 4077, then we know they are part of this team. There's SMS keywords that we can put in there for attendance. We can start deciding how many minutes they play for the half, how many minutes they have for halftime, that they play on an entire field. Do they use a changing room? How many minutes do we need to have that field available? So we can do that in 10 minutes. And then afterwards, they also need to rest. So they need another 10 minutes. How many minutes we have on the changing room available and afterwards as well. So comes with the full schedule and email addresses, so we can receive email messages from players and they can send this to this email address, and that could be the manager of this team. Show lineup and formation, we just turned that off, but we have the opportunity to do that. So let's save that. So the team data sits under this menu, and I've selected all these to be shown, but you can do more here. So here's under the general tab, for example. We've just filled that in, but the team photo, so you can select the file and upload, very easy. And here are the different seasons as well, so how these guys look like in 2020, we can add that there as well. Training details, so when they are training, and here you can select the times, date, which field, which changing room they have with some comments, and who are the trainers, and they'll appear in their system. And then the sponsors, and we've had a conversation about this already, or a video, but just to reiterate, you can assign a sponsor to this team, and this could be a team sponsor, a shirt sponsor, or sleeve sponsor, sock sponsor, etc., etc. So you can add all these images, the sponsor images, to this team. Now let's have a look how that looks like on the website. Let me refresh. And as you can see, I have the team information, competition, friendly data, match reports, etc. And that's all empty. And once I start filling that up, this will populate into a very similar page as I have for some other teams. Just let me bring that up. For example, the under 20s, where I have team information, the training dates, the team sponsors, and all their individual players, very simply and very simple to maintain. Hope you enjoy that. So I've shown you how to add a team into the menu, how to add a team onto that menu, and the opportunities that are available there to show what data. Very easy, and hope you enjoyed that. Thank you.